Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2019 Volvo S60 T6 R-Design. I'm going to do a quick video walk-around tour. This currently comes in a gray exterior. It's got a charcoal gray interior. Memory seats. Driver's seat here, sunroof, steering wheel, and go ahead and hop inside. Mileage on this vehicle currently at 35,027. We have the Volvo ignition right here. So now that we're started up, show you our touchscreen display here. So radio, navigation, backup camera. It's your home button there to get back to the main menu. You've got your climate controls here. Below that you've got front and rear defroster, and some audio controls. You can also adjust your different drive modes, which will affect shifting and handling and whatnot. And we'll go ahead and hop out, show you the rear seats and the trunk. Okay. So, rear seats. Look at the sunroof. Do a quick peek back up front. And coming around to the back, we've got our Volvo S60 T6 R-Design badging. Got our trunk back here. Now, if you're interested in learning more about this vehicle, you want to walk through any of the features with a member of our team, or even set up a test drive, you can do all of that on our website, feldmannimports.com.